Welcome to the Lemoore College Library and Learning Resource Center. This video tutorial will explain the process of peer review. Peer-reviewed journal articles, also called academic or scholarly, are papers written by experts, researchers, or academics to share original findings or analysis with other experts, researchers, or academics. They are published in academic journals and are often considered the most credible sources for research. Peer-reviewed articles are evaluated by 3 to 5 experts for quality, methodology, and validity. This rigorous editorial process can take anywhere between 6 months to a year. Structurally, these articles feature common characteristics. First, an abstract. An abstract is a summary of what the article contains. Second, a literature review. A literature review is a summation of all of the articles and books read during the research process. Third, a methodology. A methodology is an explanation of how original research was conducted. Fourth, the results. And fifth, a list of references. A list of references ensures that the writer gives credit to all the research done on this topic previously. It provides the reader with a list of where the writer found their information, as well as where the reader can go to find out more about the topic. The content of these articles focus on in-depth, original research, often using technical language. The appearance of academic articles is usually plain text, with few to no advertisements or glossy photos. The purpose of these articles is not to entertain, but to advance academic knowledge within a specific discipline. For more in-depth information on how to locate peer-reviewed, academic or scholarly articles, please watch our video tutorial on finding peer-reviewed articles. Questions? Contact us in person at the 400 building on the Lemoore campus. Chat with us online through the Ask Us button on our website. Call us at 559-925-3420. Or email us at ask@westhillscollege.lebansers.com.